What is an employment facilitator? An employment facilitator or job coach is a specialist that works for our company who supports people with disabilities in their search for work. They work side by side with you and help you make your decisions right through the 4 stages outlined above. They have a lot of experience of working with disabled job seekers. They also have a lot of experience of networking with employers, and they have a good picture of the type of jobs that are available. They work a lot with disability services and are aware of changes in legislation and assistive technologies.